Hello, today I'll be doing a card trick for the 11th card trick contest. For this trick, I'll need the two jokers. To find the jokers, I'm going to use the two black tens. If I take the two black tens and I rub them like this, they instantly change into the two jokers. But for the trick, we also need the two black tens. If I take the next top two cards, in this case we have the two red aces. If I give the two red aces a shake, they change into the two black tens. But also for the trick, we need the two red aces. So I'm going to use the jokers to help me find them. If I take the first joker and I give it a flick, changes into an ace. So there's the first ace. But that's only one ace. We still need the other red ace. There's the other red ace. I'll set this red ace right there. But now we only have one joker. We need both jokers. So if I take this joker and I give it a flick, changes into another red ace. But in a pack you only get two red aces. So what card is this? This is a joker. But now that's only one joker. Where's the other joker? If I take the king and I rub it like this, I can get it to change into the other joker. So now we have both jokers. But now, where is the king? All of these cards are facing down except for the four kings. And there's all four kings face up. And that was my card trick for the 11th card trick contest. And I hope you liked it. Bye.